Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun with Maths. Another video related to the topic profit and loss. The whole life we keep on calculating our profit and losses, but be on positive side. Let's calculate profits. But in this topic you have to calculate profit as well as loss. You have to study about profit and loss. First of all, let's do the terminology of profit and loss, where we have CP as cost price, SP stands for selling price, P or G stands for profit or gain, means the same, and then comes the loss. Now, what's new there? Nothing new. Everyone knows what is cost price, selling price, profit, loss. Profit and loss can be expressed in two ways, one as an amount, one as a percentage. So, we have two more terms, profit percent as well as loss percent. And children, we always calculate our profit percent and loss comparison percent in comparison to CP. So, profit percent is expressed as profit over CP multiplied by 100%. Whereas loss percent is loss over CP multiplied by 100%. So, these are the basic terms which we are going to use in profit and loss. CP, SP, profit, loss, profit percent, loss percent. And we will avoid using formulae of calculating CP and SP. We will go step by step method, because once you start learning formula, you become handicapped. Once you forget the formula, you are stuck there in the question. So my advice is it's better you go step by step method. Everything is equally easy. The only thing is you have to make your minds up and ready that you have to use step by step method. Then we will use SP is equals to CP minus loss in terms of loss, and SP is equals to CP plus gain. Only this much part if you memorize, you are able to solve each and every question of profit and loss. For how much you have purchased, for how much you are selling, you are able to know your profit or your loss, because you can compare your CP and SP. Now here is a basic question. A plot is sold for rupees 3,60,000, gaining a profit of 20%. What you have to find out? You have to find out the CP of the plot. Means for how much you have purchased, you do not know, but you know it that for how much you are selling and what is your profit percent. So let's write the given thing. SP of plot is equals to rupees 3,60,000. Profit percent is 20%. What we don't have? CP we do not have. So we will not directly apply the formula. Please avoid using formula. Take CP as X. Let CP of plot be rupees X. Children, here I would like to tell you one trick. First of all, at the last I told you in the terminology two formula. SP is equals to CP minus loss and SP is equals to CP plus profit. There in that case CP, if you have the formula CP and loss, CP and loss both must be in amount. If you have a CP and profit, they should be also in amount. It should not be that one is in amount, one as a percentage. You cannot add. So for that you have to convert this percentage as an amount. So where to go to convert it as an amount? You don't have to go anywhere. Whatever is your CP, you calculate that much percent of the CP, your percentage will convert into amount automatically. Like your profit percent is 20%, so your profit is equals to 20% of your CP, that is rupees X. That is your rupees X. Therefore, your profit will be 20 into 1 by 100 into X. That is X over 5. Rupees X over 5. Your profit has converted from percentage, it has converted into rupees because you have calculated the same percent of your CP. So now you write SP is equals to CP plus profit. What is your SP? Your SP is 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 is equals to X plus X by 5, which is 6X over 5. 3,60,000. Now you have to calculate the value of X. So X is equals to 3,60,000 into 5 by cross multiplication divided by 6. 60,000. So it gives you the answer rupees 3 lakh. Value of the plot, original cost, CP of the plot is rupees 3 lakhs. Is that clear? Another question. An article was bought for rupees 1,500. Bought means cost price. And sold for rupees 2,000. SP is 2,000. So children, first of all you write the given thing. CP is equals to rupees 1,500. SP is rupees 2,000. Now looking at these two, you can easily compare that your SP is greater than your CP. This is compulsory to write in this type of questions. Which one is greater? So profit is incurred. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. How much you have gained? That is rupees 2,000 minus 1,500. How much it is? Rupees 500. Your profit is actually rupees 500. Now you have to express this profit as a percentage. So profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100%. So apply the formula, that is profit is 500, CP is rupees 1,500 into 100%. 500 3 times. 100 by, it is 100 by 3%. That means 33 whole 1 by 3%. How much he has earned? He has earned 33 whole 1 by 3%. Another question, children. Toffees are bought at the rate 7 for rupee 1. Means 7 toffees for rupee 1 and sold 5 for rupee 1. Calculate the gain percent. So in these type of questions where we are not certain how many toffees are purchased and how many we are selling, so what we do, we solve the question for one article, that is one toffee. So we will calculate CP of one toffee and SP of one toffee, and accordingly we will calculate profit and loss. So first of all we will write CP of 7 toffees is equals to rupee 1. तो CP of 1 toffee is equals to rupee 1 over 7. Similarly, SP of 5 toffees is equals to rupee 1. So SP of 1 toffee is equals to rupee 1 by 5. Now you can easily see for 1 toffee, CP is rupees 1 by 7, SP is 1 over 5. So which one is greater? Obviously, whose denominator is smaller, that one is greater. So SP greater than CP. SP greater than CP. So profit is incurred. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Fine. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. So profit is equals to rupee 1 by 5 minus 1 over 7. That is rupee, we take LCM, 7 minus 5, rupee 2 over 5. Now we have to calculate profit percent. As we have values in fraction, we will change a bit the way of writing the formula. That is equals to profit divided by CP multiplied by 100% and put the values. Profit is 2 over 35 divided by CP is, our CP was 1 by 7 multiplied by 100%. So it is 2 over 35 into 7 over 1 into 100%. 7 5s are 5, 20. That is 40%. How much the person is gaining? The person is gaining 40%. I hope I am clear. I hope children I have made you clear with the basic concept of profit and loss. Attempt questions. Next video again we will be taking up some more questions based on profit and loss. Till then, take care of yourself. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.